the Anker Powerconf S500. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll look at the Anker Powerconf S500 speakerphone. This can be used in the home or office setting. I will go over specs, features, and then do some test calls. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, Type-C cable and USB adapter, and the carrying case. The speaker features 16 hours of playtime with a 6700 mAh battery. This can be used for those that are working from home or in an office setting small to large. It can be connected via Bluetooth or USB to a PC. 10-watt output. Has the Anker Work app for mobile devices along with the PC software. Works with Zoom, WebEx, Microsoft Teams, just to name a few. Button and touch controls, and used as USB-C for charging. It also has voice radar, which can isolate and detect voices and filter out the noises. Voice balancing, so volume levels are consistent regardless of distance. High-def voice with 32K sampling rate, and full duplex communication. The speakerphone is compact in size and definitely portable. It feels solid and well built. On the top, you have the branding. The bottom has a rubberized finish to provide stability. You will also find the optional USB adapter and microphones. The front has a power button, play, pause, resume, link button to pair additional S500 speakers, and the pairing button. On the top, you have the indicator light, volume controls, mute, answer, and end calls. And the back has a USB-C input for charging. The speaker is 5.1 by 5.2 by 1.4 inches. As mentioned earlier, this has app integration. Once downloaded and connected, you can control the sound modes, volume, toggle tone and indicator light, and also update the firmware. This is how it looks and sounds when you power it up. And now for some test calls.
Hello?
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, good. How about you?
I'm doing good. So I'm testing out this new Anker Powerconf S500 conference speaker. Just wanted to see how it sounds. So could you hear me all right?
Yeah, you sound perfectly clear. It sounds like if you're talking on the phone, actually, so it doesn't sound
All right.
any different, but it sounds pretty good.
Okay, you don't hear any background noise?
No,
Okay, cool.
it's coming in clear, actually.
All right. Okay, man. Thanks. I just wanted to check and see how it sounds. I'll talk to you later.
All right, no problem. Bye.
Welcome to TD Ameritrade. Please note that the U.S. markets are closed for the holiday. However, our client services representatives are available to assist you. To help us provide you with the best possible service, please enter your 9-digit TD Ameritrade account number, followed by the pound sign. If you do not know your account number, press the star key.
I found the speakerphone to be solid and it was loud and clear during calls. Other parties had no issues hearing me and they all said it was clear and loud. I like the portability and app integration, and it's easy to set up as well. So that is a look at the Anker Powerconf S500 speakerphone. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.